All right, we got a minute to the opening here. TLT is up a little bit on the economic news that came out this morning. Kind of hovering right here, so we'll kind of watch that. I know we've been talking, are we going to put a stop out? Are we not going to put a stop out? We will take a look at that. WWE, at least pre-market, is looking up another $1. Don't know, how that's going to hold once the market opens here. We will take a look, and we may raise our stop exit again. Right now, the stop exit we have in is $1.50. Okay, if it does open up, holds up there, rallies up there, we will probably change that again. Okay, Delta Airlines. Yesterday we had looked at some call calendars, decided not to do that. We were looking at both the 59 and the 60 strike.